guys, welcome to a video. Today I'm gonna teach you religion, and I learn religion all the time because I'm Muslim, and that's why I always learn religion in Thursday at school. So it's time to start. So today I'm gonna teach you some question and answer. So let's start right now. The first question is, how many Arabic letters are there in total? How many Arabic letters are there in total? There are 29 Arabic letters in total. There are 29 Arabic letters in total. The next question is, what is the first Arabic letter? What is the first Arabic letter? The first Arabic letter is Alif. The first Arabic letter is Alif. The next question is, which is a joint letter? Which is a joint letter? Kaf is a joint letter. Kaf is a joint letter. The next question is, how many letters are there in Arabic with nokta? How many letters are there in Arabic with nokta? There are 15 letters in Arabic with nokta. There are 15 letters in Arabic with nokta. The next question is, which is used above or below an Arabic letter? Which is used above or below an Arabic letter? Nokta is used above or below an Arabic letter. Nokta is used above or below any Arabic letter. The next question is, how many letters are there in Arabic without nokta? How many letters are there in Arabic without nokta? There are 14 letters in Arabic without nokta. There are 14 letters in Arabic without nokta. The next question is, who is the Almighty? Who is the Almighty? Allah is the Almighty. Allah is the Almighty. The next question is, whose word is the Al-Quran? Whose word is the Al-Quran? And the answer is, Allah's word is the Al-Quran. Allah's word is the Al-Quran. The next question is, how many archangels are there in total? How many archangels are there in total? There are 4 archangels in total. There are 4 archangels in total. The next question is, what is the meaning of Islam? What is the meaning of Islam? Peace is the meaning of Islam. Peace is the meaning of Islam. The next question is, how many parts are there of Iman? How many parts are there of Iman? There are 6 parts of Iman. There are 6 parts of Iman. The next question is, what is the part of Iman? What is the part of Iman? Ritual cleanliness or purity is a part of Iman. Ritual cleanliness or purity is a part of Iman. So friends, we have done all the question and answers, and I'll do more if you like and subscribe. So friends, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.